In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the age verification problem on X. Let's get started. In case you are stuck with an age restriction, can't access certain content, or the app keeps asking you to verify your age, just follow these steps. Launch your X app, then navigate to the home page. Click on the profile icon given at the top left. Head over to the option Profile. Once you're in your profile page, click on this pen kind of icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find different option. Click on the option Birth Date. This is very important. Make sure your birth date is correct and shows that you are 18 years old or above. If it's incorrect, tap on it and update it. Make sure the year is accurate. Once you make your changes, you can head back. Now, navigate to the home page. Click on the profile icon again. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Then head over to the option Privacy and Safety. Click on the option Content You See. Click on Explore Settings. In this page, you're going to find the option of sensitive media. You'll need to disable for that option. In case you could not find that option over here, close this. Launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to the website x.com. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the profile icon. Then click on the option Settings and Privacy. Select the option Privacy and Safety. Then navigate to the option Content You See. Now here you're going to find the option Search Settings. Click on that. Under this, you're going to find the option Hide Sensitive Content. Uncheck for this option. Then head back. Now uncheck for the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. And that's it. After completing these steps, you can launch your Twitter app. Your problem will be fixed. Now you won't get any age verification pop-up. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.